Hello and welcome to our Science Explore demo. This is Esmeralda Galan and Erica Zaragoza. Our grade level would be third grade level. Grade level and performance expectation is 3-P S2-1, motion and stability, forces and interactions. And it is to plan and conduct an investigation to provide evidence of the effects of balance and unbalances forces on the motion of an object.
For the engage phase, students were introduced to the concepts of force and interactions. And prior to the explore portion, students watched a video that explained different forces and interactions. And if you click on it, it will show you a little bit of it. And then we also decided to do a Kahoot game so that we could engage the students, but also we wanted to know about their background knowledge and what they know about the concepts. And if you click on it, it will also take you there to the link of the game. And this is it. So for like when you push a toy across the floor, what causes it to stop rolling? And the answer would be friction. And they're very simple questions, and we wanted to make them very developmentally appropriate for third grade. Let's go to the next slide. So for our driving question, we wanted our driving question to not only be relatable to the content, but we also wanted the students that are learning, but we wanted to make the content relatable to the we wanted to make the driving question not only relatable to the content, but but we also wanted it to be relatable to what students experience on their daily lives. And we wanted them to see that science is all around us. So the question that we came up was, what kind of forces can you find on the playground?
So we decided for Explore, the materials used, activities, and observations were that students would participate in a Jamboard. So they will take pictures outside in the playground and note their observations using their Chromebook or tablet. And for resources, we also have the camera where they would be able to take pictures, maybe even a video to add to their information.
So the process of Explore is that students will organize or document their investigations. And the way that they will do this is that students will be paired up. Previously to pairing them up, though, we will decide which students will work together. And once they are paired up, they will work together on a Jamboard that is right here on the bottom. Students will take pictures of different forces on the playground, like what would they believe to be the forces. And I will show you an example of that. Students will return to the classroom and then organize the pictures that they took on the playground and place them on the Jamboard according to the force. Then after that, students will also be able to write down their observations as well as note any other things that they noticed during the time that they were creating their Jamboard. Or they, like Erica said, they can also add their a video if they'd like. And this is what it would actually look like. So here we have the picture of a ball, a person kicking the ball. So gravity. So then they would write that the force is gravity. And then this is, they provide an explanation for it saying, this is a force because the object fell down. Another example that we have here is the child going down the slide, and the force that the child used is friction. And it says, this is a force because of two things, the slide and the kid. So they are rubbing against each other and the friction makes the kid go slower. So the force is friction, and they would do that. And if they wanted to record a video, they could also do that. And let's continue.
Okay, so for references and resources, we have a couple of links. We have a YouTube video, we have the Kahoot game, and we also have a Jamboard. So these are the resources that they would use, or they can come back and reference as they need to. So these are the links, and you can always click on them to watch them again.
And that is the end of our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.